Birmingham, we're seeing some clouds roll in, but moments of sunshine, but still feeling the heat. No rain in Birmingham just yet. Temperature sitting at 86 degrees, winds out of the east at around 8 miles per hour. To kind of put things in perspective, Fort Myers, Florida is right around where my finger's pointing right now. If you're familiar with Sarasota, Fort Myers, down in that general vicinity of southwest Florida. Now the center of circulation is traveling much closer to the central Gulf Coast. That does include the panhandle of Florida, Apalachicola, soaking rain to Panama City, Destin, now into Orange Beach, Gulf Shores. We know those cities very well, but that well-defined center of circulation is now spreading that rain into South Alabama. Montgomery feeling the first impacts of those far-reaching outer bands, and then that's making the atmosphere a little unsettled for us as well. Thunderstorms developing along Interstate 20 from Tuscaloosa all the way into Meridian, Mississippi. But look at Aliceville. A very healthy thunderstorm has developed there. Nothing severe, but likely hearing those rumbles of thunder and going to feel quite a bit of rainfall here in the early hours this evening. So my forecast for tonight, locally, temperatures falling into the 70s, storms in West Alabama, but clouds will be increasing for the rest of us. And then tomorrow, temperatures back in the mid to upper 80s, but with more cloud cover and these waves of rain. I don't expect a big peak in temperatures in the 90s like we had today. So those waves of rain will start as early as just after midnight tonight and continue throughout the day tomorrow. Let me show you the latest track of Gordon again. Winds at 70 miles per hour currently, and it is expected between now and about midnight tonight to make landfall. It's kind of put on the brakes just a little bit as it's neared the coastline, but we'll continue tracking this. Right now, it appears as though landfall will be much closer to Gulfport, Mississippi, but that puts Alabama and the Florida Panhandle on the eastern side of the storm system. That is the rainiest side of this tropical system. That will continue to push inland by Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday, but a hurricane watch still in effect for all of the Mississippi and Alabama coastline because, again, wind speeds, once they hit 74 miles per hour, could be a Category 1 hurricane. Right now, sitting at 70 miles per hour, a very strong tropical storm, and that's where those orange counties are highlighted. Those are all the places with the tropical storm watch. The red, the pink there in the middle, that's your hurricane watch. Let me show you where rainfall will be the greatest, really right along the center of circulation for the storm as it tracks into Mississippi. So I expect we could see maybe an inch, inch and a half of rain in the westernmost counties of central Alabama. But it looks like as we move north and northeast, the rain chances really go down. So as for overnight, you can see as Gordon makes its way inland, Fayette, Tuscaloosa, Moundville seeing rain early tomorrow morning and continuing with periods of wet weather through the afternoon. We'll begin to clear out Thursday. Temperatures remain hot as we round out the week, and it looks like we'll get a little bit of dry slot of air as we move into the weekend. And that's a look at your Storm Team's 7-day forecast.